Hi everyone, welcome to Kit and Brush. Today we're going to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon, so grab a pen and some paper and we'll get started. I'm going to start at the top of my paper in this middle and just draw a nice long curve for the top of his head. Now I'm going to come up and draw a smaller curve and then round it out and then bring the rest of that line down for the side of his face. Now come back to the other side and just leave a little bit of that line there. I'm just going to extend it out a little bit and make another small curve on that side. And then bring that down, but do not bring it down all the way. Now for the other side of his face, just draw a small curve there. And then I'm going to draw another rounder curve for his cheek. And then swoop that line across to the other side, but do not connect to the other side of the face. Now I'm going to draw his mouth. I'm going to start here on the left side and just making that line match with the line that we just drew, making it parallel. Bulbasaur has a wide mouth, so that's what we're going to make it look like. And then come to the corner, just make like a little small wave there. And now we're going to make a point, not a sharp one, just round that point out. Almost like he has a little beak there. And then swoop that line across to connect with the right side. For his nose, I'm just going to make two small little slits with my pen. And then let's add some little teeth there in the mouth, one on each side. And then a small curve, just a small line for his tongue there. Now for the eyes, just come and make a line for the bottom of his eyes and mirror on the other side. Just making it slightly curved there just to give it some shape. And then come to one of those points on that line and just draw a curve, mirroring on each side. And then finish up by drawing another really round curve and meeting at the corner, the bottom corner of the eye. Now I'm going to draw the inside of the eye. Again, just another curve. And then a small oval for the light that refracts off his eye. Now I'm going to come and draw his the sides of his body. Just make a nice a long curve there. And then a more swoopy curve, creating his back and his bottom there. Now we'll come back to the other side again with that long line that we first made. Make a small curve for his foot. And then sort of come to the middle, around the middle of his face. Just line that up and draw a small curve and another more swooping curve. And then just connect those two wherever they meet. And for his chest, come up about halfway up on that leg and draw another curve there. Now for his back foot, I'm going to draw a nice round oval. I guess it's more of an oval. And then a curve that connects the front leg to the back leg, and then just finishing up that bottom. And then just going to do the same thing on the other side. I made it more of an oval shape, but I think it looks better, more circular, to be honest. But I think it looks okay. I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to draw his claws too. He has 3 claws on each foot. I'm going to go ahead and draw those before I continue on. And I like to make, instead of making just straight triangles, I like to add a little roundness to those lines. He has the cutest feet. There we go. And now to make his foot have a little bit more definition, I'm just going to add a small line there in between each toe. And then just come around and sort of blend that line in with the line that we made for the foot. Now for the bulb on his back, we want to make it nice, nicely shaped and swoopy. So I'm just sort of not quite mirroring, but just it helps me gauge if I do it on each side as I go, each line. And then coming up and doing the center before I finish it off. I'm going to connect at the top here, making it more like a, supposed to look like a garlic bulb. To me, it does anyway. And then just finishing those up with kind of like a claw-shaped curve there at the top. All right, now I'm going to add some detail to his face and body, adding his spots. I'm going to start here on his forehead. Just drawing some odd shapes here. He has 3 spots on his forehead. Now coming to the back and making another odd shape there. His legs. There we go. I love those cute stubby legs. I can't stop looking at those. They're so cute. All right, and I think that looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and color it. So stick around for some facts, and I'll see you at the end. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please hit that like and subscribe button to see more kit and brush videos in the future. Bye!